All right, so I just picked up this 54-inch John Deere Auto Connect deck. I think it was time, and I'm tired of these small ones. These small little lawnmowers never run after a winter, so John Deere always runs. So this one already has the loader. Makes it easy. Can't pick this deck up, weighs too much. I think it's like 5 or 6 years old. Didn't want anything new. Price tag was $3,000 for a brand new one. I was thinking about getting the 60-inch. Really wanted the 60-inch for some reason. But after seeing photos and everything and videos, this is perfect. And there's no 60 inches. It's all 54s. Very common. Again, Auto Connect. I'll show you installing that on there. Very simple. And then the front brackets for it as well. So let's get this thing off the trailer. All right, and then with this, you can check your blades, you can clean them. As like I said, it's 5 or 6 years old, so it has wear to it. Doesn't look like there's any bad spots, no holes, no nothing. It looks good. So let's get this on and go through the steps of that. All right, so apparently you need these to run the mower. How inconvenient. So I have to take this off and put this on every year. I guess it sits, yeah, it sits much lower. All right, let's put these on. Stupid. All right, now that we have the front on, we have to do the middle. So next is to put the 3-point hitch all the way down to expose those right there. So it can go into these. All right, now these are all the way down so that you can put these in there. Not sure what those are for. Don't mind this, it's just missing a pin. It's your cruise control. Here, right here is where you're gonna put this onto here. And then the other side just hangs from these from there, and then obviously a PTO into your mid. So let me do that. And that's what it looks like installed. Also want to make sure that this is on there. That's for loading and unloading on your deck. All right, it's really important to have these up so that the deck is on the ground. Yep, all good. And then make sure that your 3-point is all the way down so that that can catch on there. So depending on the tires, I was told, depends where you put your tire here when you're driving over it. First step first is to put it in 4-wheel drive. Oh, of course, turn it on. Four-wheel drive, a little bit of throttle, and then it just depends with these tires. With these Versaturfs, you want to be pretty close to the bar. Alright, now once it's on, make sure that they're lined up. And ready to go. There we go, let's go mow. All right, so that's gonna be that on the 54-inch auto connect mower deck for the John Deere. It's a little uneven. You could tell how it cut there. Probably just need to adjust those bad Larrys. But anyway, the process to take it off is the reverse, except you're gonna wanna flip those up and then it will come right out. So, and it comes right off. And make sure you pull your pins right here and it comes off the same way. I'm gonna leave it on right now. And yeah, that's that for the season. Just mow with it and go from there. So anyway, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.